one hitter, that one.
Nevada.
Hey, fucking with too much.
At least stop and watch.
Yeah.
Hey, watch those cheap shots on Bird though, man.
I want to go rematch tomorrow.
Gotta watch the cheap
I
shots
want to
on
go
Bird.
rematch.
Yeah, left hands now.
Bob hands!
Hey, you guys gotta fight this way because of the camera, man. Oh no, should I go down there and get the...
Oh, no, it's good here.
Watch these guys. Watch.
Come on, Nevada!
Holy fuck!
Oh, they touch gloves, Oh!
Go, Ned, go! On, fuck!
Go, Joe.
Joe don't have it in him today, though. Fuck!
Chris, keep your guard up.
Keep your guard up!